Hello, I'm Jake with Robinson's Flooring, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to protect and maintain your vinyl plank or waterproof flooring. So this vinyl plank waterproof category is still evolving, and it can be called LVT, LVP, SPC, WPC. Any of these acronyms, if this is the floor you have, this video will pertain to you. This is a new category. It's a few years old now. And it's a very popular category, and the benefits of this category are that it's very good for active households. If you have kids or if you have pets, it can perform well for you. And the benefit also is that it can provide a consistent floor throughout your home. Kitchens, utility rooms, bathrooms are of no issue. So let me show you how to protect and maintain your vinyl plank or waterproof floors. We recommend a pH neutral cleaner. Shaw actually makes a product that works on most vinyl plank or waterproof floors. It's a multi-purpose product, so it can be used on other floors as well. And to apply this product, you would use a mop. This mop has a microfiber pad on it. You spray this product directly to the microfiber cloth, or you can spray it directly to the vinyl plank or waterproof floor that you have. You then mop that floor, and it's as easy as that. This kit that you would get also has a dust mop, and so that dust mop would be used for just light dusting, and that would be done every other day or every few days. And this microfiber pad, a little heavier cleaning, would be used preferably weekly. That's recommended by most manufacturers. Also, to prevent scratches and denting in your floor, we recommend using felt pads. These felt pads should be put at the bottom of chairs, dining room chairs, bar stools, ottomans, sofas, anything that's going to move. These floors are resilient, but they're not indestructible. So this is easy maintenance, easy protection for the floor. They come in different sizes, so get the appropriate size for the foot of those items. These can collect dust, these can collect debris, and they can be abrasive to the floor, so they should be replaced every 1 to 2 years. These few basic tips will make your floors last and look beautiful for years to come.